Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a PDK transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include DVD player, leather seats, heated front seats, Bluetooth, navigation system, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.